What's up, GNCRC gang? I'm back once again, and I have a package. I am very excited about this. I've been trying to get this for a while. I'll get into details a little bit later, but let's just go ahead and open it so you know exactly what I have. Can you tell yet? I'm sure you see it. Yep, this is what I've been waiting on, guys. The 124 crawler by Panda Hobby. The Tetra24 X3 Portal Edition. I know you guys have seen this unboxed, but I got to do it again, guys. This thing, I'm just excited. Let you see the box. I almost went with the blue one. The blue looked really good. Other colors is the one I have. I almost went with that. Black, like it, but my first choice was definitely that. Then that one, and then the orange one. Specs. Let's just open this thing up, guys. A few stickers here. Quick start guide. If I'm not mistaken, it said this took 2 batteries. Yep, 2 batteries, 2 AA's. See what we have inside of here. I'm sure this is going to be the charger. Charger and batteries. And the wrench. And then we get into the best part. Boom, the truck itself. Oh, the paint looks much better in person. Love this design. That's pretty cool with the rubber mirrors. Really like that. It just flex, unlike my TF24. Really like that. Pretty cool drive line. Thing has a little bit of weight to it. We're gonna get all kind of videos on this, guys, so y'all make sure you stay tuned to the channel, because I will do comparisons. And that's what everybody's here for. Portals. We'll have a bunch of detailed videos, and we'll probably break these things down. And this is what I've been waiting to do. Let's just see if it's as satisfying as I thought it was going to be. Oh, yeah. Love that, guys. I love that. If you've been following my channel, you know I did this to one of my vehicles. Got the ESC, the battery, and the motor, 60 turn. I think that's a 180 motor. Aluminum shocks. I think these wheels will be like, these will be like wheels also. And if I'm not mistaken, they are 1.0. I'm not really sure, but I think they're 1.0. my first time looking at it with you guys. You got the magnet mounts. Suspension is not as springy as the other one in this category. I don't know if it needs to be springy because, again, like most of you guys know, this is all new to me. Crawlers are all new to me, but they're my new favorite RC. This thing is really solid. Light bar right here. Body feels pretty solid. That paint in person, man, it's almost like a candy. Alright guys, stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to bring you guys a whole bunch of different videos on this truck. We're going to get some running. We're going to get a bunch of stuff. I will be doing upgrades to this if needed. Probably the first upgrade will be tires. I don't know. We're going to test these out, see how it goes. We're going to run this thing in stock form first. I'm going to actually crawl this. Hopefully I get out one day this week, and I may get to the hobby shop just to get you guys a quick video in. Till next time, guys, this is GNC RC. Thanks for watching.